Tower Richard 385, then number 2, request pushback and startup.
Richard 385, pushback and start to face to the south.
Pushback startup, roll face south Richard 385. Clear right side. Window door, close, beacon, just lever, parking brake, 4 seconds completed.
Look at the ground, see if I push the start to face south.
Okay, put back facing south, so you parking truck.
Okay, college.
Clear transit number 2.
Starting.
Check.
Start 2 to the 1.
Okay, start the bus.
Starting 1.
Check.
Put back correction, parking truck.
Park brake here to the start, disconnection of left side single mile to black.
Okay, correction, conversion, double correction.
Okay, upstairs checklist anti-ice, become subdash, mid trim, rudder trim. Upstairs checklist is complete. Tower Richard 385, request taxi.
Richard 385, taxi to runway 15, Alpha Charlie 1, Echo 5, Echo 4.
Proceed to runway 15 via IC Charlie 1, Echo 5, Echo 4 to runway 15, 10.5, clear right side. Check. Clear right side. Right. Hold up. Foot down, neutral, foot left, foot right, neutral, foot left, foot right, neutral. Right, Thank you. Clutch flight control. Check. Flight instrument. Check. Briefing. Lap setting. Config 1. V1 VR visual flight time. 13213 flight 57. 86.
Zero 385 departure time 0720. Line up and wait runway 15.
Line up and wait. Runway 15 we get 385. Ecam memo. Down to the line. We are clear for line up and wait. Runway 15. Clear right. Sorry, cruise for takeoff. Below the line, takeoff runway. Runway 15 confirm cabin crew. Speakers. Boss select. Back. Okay, for consequence public. Finals clear. Check. Yeah, I have control. Right step. Yeah.
I request a left turn heading 125 and closer.
Yes. 120 and we go around.
Very grateful. Wind 250 degrees 10 knots and we 15 clear to take up.
Hey, raise. Break up. Flight 7 SS out of just blue. Check. Gear. Amp. Put the mallet on. Okay. Select heading 120. Level climb. Just climb out and catch 1000. Open climb heading 120. Flap 0. take off plan canvas.
Landing gear.
Off.
Flaps.
Brake tractor.
Flaps.
On.
So it's the blue bit ready? Yeah, 110.
Region 385, and then passing hotel to visual. Left turn heading 110 to avoid. Roger, 3, confirm quite visual left turn. Heading 110 to avoid. Roger, visual 3, XY passing 6,006 gram 25240. Expedite to 6,015 region 385.
Select 230. And you say Mustang
Can expedite for 6,000.
Okay.
Roger, Together 285, report passing available 100.